Done. Hi students, welcome to KSM classes. Today we will deal with the topic determinants. Now the first question is that 1 plus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square, minus of 2 plus x square, 2x plus 1, 3x, 1 minus 5x, x plus 1, 2x, 2 minus 3x, plus another determinant 1 plus x whole square, 2x plus 1, x plus 1, 1 minus x whole square, 3x, 2x, the third row 1 minus 2x, 3x minus 2, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have to find the solution of this equation. Okay, now det A transpose is equal to det A. Now I will take the transpose of the second determinant. Now I will write it as det 1 plus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square, minus of 2 plus x square, 2x plus 1, 3x, 1 minus 5x, x plus 1, 2x, 2 minus 3x, plus the transpose of the second determinant. That means the rows and columns must be interchanged. So 1 plus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus 2x, 2x plus 1, 3x, 3x minus 2, x plus 1, 2x, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to add these two determinants. While adding the two determinants, for example, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 plus a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, d1, d2, d3 is equal to a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3 plus d1, b3 plus d2, c3 plus d3. That is, if the elements of any row or column is the sum of two numbers, it can be split into two individual determinants and vice versa. That means if two individual determinants are given, while adding, you have to write the first and second rows as is because they are same. The third row must be added. The corresponding elements of the third row must be added. So this is the formula for adding the determinants. Now in the similar fashion, here we will do one thing. The first row is as it is 1 plus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square, minus of 1 plus x whole square, and this is 1 minute. This is the first column is same 1 plus x whole square, 2x plus 1, x plus 1. The second column is also same 1 minus x whole square, 3x, 2x. Here the elements of the third column are different, so add those two. So minus 2 minus x square, that means minus x square, plus minus 2x, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 5x plus 3x minus 2. So minus 5x plus 3x minus 2x, and 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. That means minus 3x plus 2x minus x, 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here you can write it as 1 plus x whole square, 2x plus 1, x plus 1, 1 minus x whole square, 3x, 2x, minus of 1 plus x whole square minus of 2x plus 1 minus of x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here the elements of the first column and the elements of the third column are proportional to each other. That means in a determinant, if the elements of any two rows or any two columns are proportional, then the value of the determinant is 0. So it is 0 is equal to 0. That means without taking the value of x into consideration, this determinant becomes 0. Therefore it is true for all x. Therefore the equation has infinite number of solutions. Moving on to the second problem. Fx is equal to determinant of 1 plus x whole power a, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1, second row, 1 plus x whole power a, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus x whole power a comma b are, a comma b belongs to z plus, that implies a comma b are positive integers. Here we have to test which one of them is correct, constant term and coefficient of x. So solution, moving on to the solution, consider fx is equal to 1 plus x whole power a, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus x whole power a, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus x whole power a. Here a comma b being positive integers, this can be of any order, we are not sure about it, so I will write it as a plus bx plus cx square plus so on. Now to get the constant term, if you look into the right hand side expression, here a plus bx plus cx square plus so on, if you put x is equal to 0 on the right hand side, you will get only a, that is a constant term. So put x is equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. That is f of 0 is equal to 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. 1. This is 1. 1. This is 1 plus 0. 1. This is 1. 1 and 1 is equal to a. All the terms of this determinant being same, the value of the determinant is 0, therefore a is equal to 0. So the constant term is observed to be 0. Now to get the coefficient of x, we will differentiate this fx. So we get f dash x. On differentiating on this side, a being constant, its derivative is 0. And the derivative of bx is b, and the derivative of 2cx square is 2cx and so on. Therefore again after differentiating again by putting x is equal to 0, you will get the value of b, which is nothing but the coefficient of x in fx. Therefore whenever you want to get the coefficient of x in the polynomial given in terms of the determinant, then you can consider f dash 0. That is, if fx is equal to det A containing polynomials as its elements, then coefficient of x is equal to f dash 0. Coefficient of x is equal to f dash 0. Number 2, constant term of fx is equal to f of 0. So these are the two formulas which already were applied. Now I am going to differentiate this fx. When you differentiate the determinant, you are not supposed to differentiate the complete determinant. You have to differentiate only one row or one column and leave the two columns as it is, and then again differentiate the second row and so on. Now I will show you how to differentiate. F dash x is equal to, differentiate the first row, a with respect to x, a into 1 plus x whole power a minus 1 into derivative of 1 plus x 1, b into 1 plus 2x whole power b minus 1 into derivative of 1 plus 2x 2, and the derivative of 1 is 0. You leave the second row as it is and the second row as it is, 1 plus x whole power a, 1 plus 2x whole power b, and the third row as it is 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus x whole power a plus, now here you have differentiated the first row. Now you leave the first row and differentiate the second row. 1 plus x whole power a, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1, this is 0, this is a into 1 plus x whole power a minus 1, this is b into 1 plus 2x whole power b minus 1 into 2, this is 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus x whole power a, this is b minus 1 of course, plus I'll write the third determinant here, a 1 plus x whole power a, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus x whole power a, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 1 plus 2x whole power b, 2b into 1 plus 2x whole power b minus 1, 0, a into 1 plus x whole power a minus 1. Now I'll cancel this. Coefficient of fx, coefficient of x in fx is equal to f dash 0 is equal to, here I can write this as b plus 2cx plus 3dx square plus so on, and therefore f dash 0 is equal to 0 means a, this is a 0 2b, and this is 0 1, this is 1, and this is 1 plus, this is 1 0 a 2b 1 plus, this is 1 this is 1 this is 2b 0 a. Now here the two rows being identical, the elements of these two rows being same, the value of this determinant is 0. In the similar way, the other two determinants are also equal to 0. Therefore, this is 0. Therefore, the coefficient of x in fx is 0. So, coefficient of x in fx is 0. The second option is the answer.